Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure your iPhone 14 has an active data plan and hotspot permission from your carrier. Once done, update iOS and restart the phone if you've just changed the SIM. This avoids connection quirks. Now go to Settings, tap Personal Hotspot and flip the switch to On. You'll see the Wi-Fi password displayed. Make a quick note or change it for security because that's the key other devices will use to join. Once the hotspot is live, you decide how devices connect. Wi-Fi for most, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for stable tethering. For Wi-Fi, open the other device's Wi-Fi menu, pick your iPhone name and enter the hotspot password you set. This authenticates the device. If you prefer USB, plug the iPhone into your computer and trust the device, then enable Personal Hotspot. Bluetooth requires pairing first. Make sure both devices show as trusted to avoid repeated prompts. To finish, check Settings right arrow Personal Hotspot to confirm the device appears as connected and test browsing. Keep an eye on data usage and battery. Turn off the hotspot when not needed to prevent overage charges and conserve power. If a device won't connect, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart your iPhone and the client device. Then, if it persists, reset network settings. Settings right arrow General right arrow Transfer, or reset iPhone right arrow reset network settings, which clears faulty network caches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.